Welcome to Class 6 Maths, Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Angles. Students, what is angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common starting point. So students, rays are important because they help us to define something very important in geometry, that is angles. And angles consist of two different rays. This is one ray and this is second ray. That they have the same initial point. Same initial point means what? Same starting point. So this is the same starting point. The rays are sides of the angle. So here students, you can see ray AB and ray AC are the sides of the angle. With the initial point is called, what is the initial point known as? It is known as vertex. So this is A, which is point A, is known as vertex. So we denoted an angle with 3 points and symbol angle. So this is angle symbol. The middle point is always the vertex. We can also name the angle with just the vertex point. So for example, the angle can be denoted if we want to say angle BAC. The middle point is A, which is known as also as angle A. Middle point is A, which is known as angle A. We can also name this angle as angle CAB. Here, if we want to name the angle, for example, angle BAC. So, as we have mentioned in the notation that the middle point is always the vertex. So, this is angle BAC. It can be also named as angle CAB or angle A. So, angles means what? Angles are made up of two rays with the same start point. The start point is called the vertex. The two rays are called the sides of the angle. Interior and exterior of an angle. Students, what is interior angle? In the adjoining figure, here you can see point F and point R is in the interior of angle ABC. And point P, X, T are exterior of angle ABC. So let us define this. An angle divides the point on the plane into three regions. Points on the angle, points inside the angle, that is known as interior angle, points outside the angle, that is known as exterior angle. So students, points lying on the angle is an angle. For example, point A, point B and point C. Points within the angle is its interior portion. So which are the points is within the angle? Point F and point R. Points outside the angle, that is exterior angle. So which points are outside angle ABC? Point P, point X and point T. So these point X, point P and point T are exterior angle. Thank you.